This is an FBB sponsored Femina Miss India contest, and this contest has got 4 states which has been involved in it, which is Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh along with Telangana. The contestants from five of the states would be joining for the final contest on Mumbai, which will be held in the next week. And the first contestants, all the contestants will be part of this today's meet as part of the promotion of FBB Femina at Big Bazaar Lido.
Hello, I am Sherlyn Seth and I am the FBB Colors Femina Miss India Tamil Nadu 2017 and I am the finalist for the Miss India pageant this year. My ambition is, for now, I really focus on being Miss India, of course, and my aim towards getting into the pageant is not just to become a model or get into the acting line, but it is focusing mainly because I want to win the crown for India as a whole, not Tamil Nadu, not any other state, but for India as a whole, for our people, for us. And I would really want to pursue my career because now that I am into the line, I would not mind modeling after this, but maybe for a shorter duration, maybe for 5-6 years, because my qualification is I am a 4th year BTech student. I will be done with my BTech by the end of June, and I would want to pursue my career as a business marketing person maybe in future. Because modeling and acting is something I aim for, though I aim for it, but for a shorter duration. My main focus is pageant for now, and after I win the pageant, hopefully I do, and after I win the pageant, I would want to pursue in the same line because I would be getting a lot of opportunities for a shorter duration. But I would want to become I would want to get into the marketing line of a very good company maybe, or get into the line for which I have studied, because I have studied from my heart and not
Manat
just...
Singh. Well, my ambitions in life, I believe that I'm an explorer by nature, and I always want to work towards opportunities and explore my life in different ways. I want to keep the learning process open, and the future that I've thought about is in modeling, because by God's grace, I've been gifted with a beautiful height, and walking on the ramp is something that I'm really, really passionate about. And as I said, that I would definitely like to keep my opportunities, my areas of working open. I would also like to work towards Bollywood, and the main focus for me right now is representing my country, representing my state on the national level, and then in my country on the international level.
A lot of things that I do want to achieve in the future, be it in the field of business or modeling or as a human being. I love traveling, so I intend on traveling as much as possible. I definitely do intend on continuing my modeling as well, hopefully to win Miss India and Miss World. Apart from that, I am a journalism student, so I do want to take up travel journalism. Apart from this, I am a young entrepreneur as well, so I intend on taking over my family business soon enough.
I'm Simran Chaudhary. If I have to speak about my ambition, it's very indecisive. I like to do a lot of things, but there's one thing that I think I am decent at. I think it's acting, and I would want to make a mark for myself in world cinema. I also enjoy traveling, so I think that's another motivation for getting into the film industry, because I get to travel a lot. I am a bachelor's in commerce. I'm a graduate, and I'm keeping my options open for masters. I want to see where life takes me, and I'm just going with the flow. I've made it this far in the Miss India journey, and I'm looking forward to the rest of it. I don't want to boggle myself with a lot of options right now. I want to keep my focus at the pageant, and that is exactly what I'm doing, and let's see what the future holds for me. Thank you.
Hello,
so much.
my name is Srishti Vyakarnam, and I am representing Andhra Pradesh. My aim in life right now is getting an international crown back to India. So for that, I am representing Andhra Pradesh in the national level of Miss India, and then thereby I hope I win it, and then I get the blue crown back to India. Apart from that, I'm into acting, and I like acting a lot. I like dancing a lot, so I'm joining as a dance instructor soon, and I'm a software engineer turned model, so I think I'll be going for my MS as well in future. But then before that, I think acting and getting the crown is the most important thing for me right now.